In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a color scale based on values in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature that can enhance the readability of your data by visually representing variations in your dataset. Let's dive right in. First, we need to have a Google Sheet open and ready. You can start with either a new spreadsheet or an existing one, depending on what you need. Make sure your data is inputted into the sheet because that's where we're going to apply the color scale. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next step is to highlight the data range where you want to apply the color scale. It's essential to ensure that you've selected the entire column that contains the data you want to format. This is important as it tells Google Sheets where you want the color scale to be applied. Now, with your column selected, look towards the top of your screen and click on Format in the menu bar. This is our gateway to the variety of formatting options that Google Sheets provides, including conditional formatting, which is what we'll use. After clicking on Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you should click on Conditional Formatting. You'll notice a panel appears on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. On the right side panel, you'll see a tab for Color Scale. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Google Sheets provides options for setting gradient colors based on your data values. You'll see Google has already applied a default color scale, but let's continue customizing it to our liking. Next, you'll decide whether you want to stick with the default settings or if you want something more tailored. Click on Default to explore the presets. However, if you feel creative and want to use specific colors that best suit your data's narrative, you can choose a custom color scale. Simply click on the color scale sample that interests you from the given options. After selecting your desired color scale, it's crucial to finalize and save these changes. You do this by clicking on Done at the bottom of the formatting panel. This step is essential because it applies the color formatting to your selected data range. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a color scale to your Google Sheets data range. This not only makes your data visually appealing, but also makes it easier to identify patterns and trends at a glance. Whether it's identifying high-performing data points or low ones, a color scale in Google Sheets is a great tool to have in your arsenal. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to practice this technique in your own Google Sheets and explore other formatting options available to enhance your data presentations further. Happy data crunching!